Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Today we will tell you important news about Cardano cryptocurrency. Cardano price analysis. ADA United States dollar bearish for the next 24 hours. The resistance is present at 90 cents. Support for ADA is present at the $0.823 level. Cardano's price trend curve is downwards overall. Bullish activities have been observed occasionally, but the main trend remains in favor of bears. The price, nevertheless, plummeted dramatically in the last 24 hours, as well as the coin being rejected for a second time at $0.869. The coin's value has fallen to $0.823, writing the Cardano price analysis is bearish overall, with the resistance at 90 cents, and the support at $0.823. The price trend curve is downwards, with bullish activities observed on occasion, but the main trend remains in favor of bears. The coin's value has fallen to $0.823, writing. If you're invested in Cardano, it's essential to keep an eye on the price, and be prepared for a potential drop in value. The good news is that the ADA coin has strong support at the $0.823 level, so you won't lose all your money if the price falls further. However, it's still important to stay updated with the latest news and price movements to make the most informed decisions about your investment. The Cardano price has dropped by more than 5% in the last 4 hours, which is a clear indication of an impending decline. Over the past several days, Cardano's market capitalization has decreased from $15 billion to roughly $10 billion. The Cardano price analysis concluded that there would be a drop as the value had fallen considerably during the Asian trading session. The Bollinger Bands, which are used to measure the volatility of a security, had tightened since the start of last week. The bands were indicative of a compressed market and low trading volumes. This is also confirmed by the Chicken Money Flow indicator, which is in the negative territory. The CMF measures money flowing in and out of a security, and is usually taken together. The indicators suggest a bearish market in the short term. The Cardano price is currently being traded at $0.841 and has been down by more than 5% in the last 4 hours. The resistance is present at $0. Consequently, the price is likely to continue dropping in value and might even fall below the $0.823 mark, which would be a significant plunge. The primary support is at the $0.823 level, but it's still important to keep an eye on the latest news and price movements to make the most informed decisions. The Chicken Money Flow indicator is in the negative territory, and the Bollinger Bands had tightened since the start of last week, indicative of a compressed market and low trading volumes. So next news. Cardano price prediction, however, led to network congestion, which has driven gas fees higher. That sent users to speedy proof-of-stake, POS, rival blockchains like Cardano, where transaction fees are cheaper. Where is ADA's price headed? Cardano's development in recent months has been commendable, and can be seen in the growth of its market capitalization. In addition, the Cardano blockchain has expanded by approximately 13 GB since the beginning of the year, implying a lot of chain activity. While all these elements depict a vibrant Cardano blockchain, ADA's price at publication time was $0.947046 and was up only 0.5% over the last 24 hours. Despite the recent attempt to stage a recovery, the token is still approximately 69.3% away from its all-time of $3.09 set back in September 2021. The seventh biggest coin by market cap is also down 16% over the last month. Bitcoin, thanks to its dominance within the market, could aid altcoins' revival in the near future if it's able to mount a sustainable rally. But in the meantime, the majority of cryptocurrencies appear to be struggling to shrug off weeks of lackluster performance. Meanwhile, a fintech panel at Finders expects ADA to be valued at over $2.79 by the end of the year. The next news, Russia banks raise key rates by 20% in desperate measure to save ruble. Russian banks have raised key rates to 20% in a bid to save the ruble as major countries cut off support to Moscow amid its invasion of Ukraine. The Russian central bank raised its key interest rate to 20% from 9.5% on Monday in an emergency move. Authorities told export-focused companies to sell foreign currency as the ruble tumbled to record lows. The ruble opened 40% lower against US dollars. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.